Hi everyone. It's not really gonna be a debate. I'm just like giving my opinion, on the Xbox 360 and the PS3. Okay, well, first I gotta warn you all, I don't have any of them. I don't have the PS3, I don't have the Xbox. What I do have is a PSP, right here, and I have a PS2. Well, that's in the other room. Okay, well, I've been with PlayStation all my life. Been through PS1, PS2, and now you can see PSP. I'm not planning on getting a PS3. Okay? Obviously the graphics I have to say are really amazing, The internet is free and everything. And I'm not planning on getting an Xbox 360 either, Graphics are okay too, there's a lot more games on it. The internet you have to pay, but people say it's better, but I think it's the same. People that only have Xbox 360 say that the internet is better, but the people that have PS3 say that the internet is the same. So like, you guys are just trying to get the Xbox 360 better because it has more games, and your gamer score, gamer tag, or whatever there, Well, personally, like a couple months ago when the PS3, well, I'm not sure when it came out, but a couple months ago I wanted to get a PS3, but like all my friends had an Xbox 360 except for like 2 or 3 of them, but like I wanted a PS3, as I said, because I had better graphics. The internet is free. Like people, Xbox 360, okay, graphics are okay. You have to pay $60 a year, by the way, okay. And one of my friends got hacked, so now he has to pay $60 for a new gamer tag, I think. For that. So another $60. PS3, if you do get hacked, you don't need to pay an extra $60. The internet is free and everything, so you just make a new gamer tag and that is it. No $60 a year, get hacked, who cares, So basically the PS3 has better graphics, the exact same internet connection, and free internet. So basically I think the PS3 is better than the Xbox 360, but I have to say, for people who saw the PS3 song and the Xbox 360 song, they're both really good, whoever made those up. But I have to say the PS3, the tune of the real song, I forgot what it is, But I have to say that song was really good, well made. So watch it there, it's pretty good. But besides that, I think PS3 is better, Basically, I stick with computers, You get the exact same games on them. And that's basically it, man. So people, feel free to comment, debate on my debate with me on my wall there, whatever you call it. And that's mostly it. Thank you. Bye.